In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Google by adding verification and mail records. We'll go through the full setup in a simple, clear way so you can verify your domain ownership and make sure your email is routed correctly through Google. Before you begin, it helps to have both accounts ready so you can move between them without losing your place. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console. This is where Google provides the verification details needed to prove that you own the domain you want to use. Once you're inside, find the verification section for your domain and copy the TXT record Google gives you. This record is important because it tells Google that you have control over the domain's DNS settings. Be careful to copy the value exactly as shown, since even a small typo can prevent verification from working. Next, open a new browser tab and log into your GoDaddy domain portfolio. Keeping Google open in the first tab makes it easier to switch back and forth as you complete the setup. Inside GoDaddy, locate the domain you want to connect, then click DNS next to that domain. This will take you to the area where your domain records are managed. Now add the TXT record provided by Google. This is the verification record that confirms ownership. When entering the record, make sure you place it in the correct TXT field and paste the value exactly as copied from the admin console. Double check the entry before saving. DNS changes can take a little time to update, so if verification does not happen immediately, that's normal. After that, update the MX records so your domain points directly to Google's mail servers. MX records control where incoming email is delivered, so this step is what allows your domain email to work with Google. In your DNS settings, replace any existing MX records that are not meant for Google with the Google Mail Server records provided in the setup instructions from the admin console. Accuracy matters here as